Hello folks, I'm back here today with the STARTRC landing pad, and we're going to do a kind of a full unboxing here and first look at it. And if you're one of those people that say, you know, I hand catch my drones or hand launch my drones, then this probably isn't the video for you. So here we go. Okay, yeah, I mean, what landing pads are good for is if you have a drone and you know you want to land on dirt, grass, the beach, you know, sand, dirt, or whatever. These things can help keep the motors from sucking in all that debris from those areas. And also the camera can keep dirt and dust off your camera lens or getting inside your camera lens. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of positives to using this. And of course, if you just take off from the street or the sidewalk, you're probably fine. I mean, people are going to tell you you get dust in that too. And I mean, you get dust just by walking out the door, you know, most areas or whatever. You know, I'm near the beach, so I mean, there's sand blowing around, you know, 24/7. Just walk out the door and you have it. But anyhow, these things can help you reduce, you know, those issues and, you know, keep your drone clean and so on. And, you know, it's nice to have a good stable spot, you know, that when you're doing your precision landings or whatever, the pad seems to, you know, like, well, I don't know if it helps, but at least it looks good in the video because you know it landed right where it took off if it lands in the middle of the pad. So here we go with no further ado. So, okay, this is the blue one. I believe this also comes in green. And it's kind of a long box here. On the back, it has, you know, some details on back. It says it's a 55 centimeter landing pad. It shows you how it folds up, and we'll show you all that in the video. So I know you've shown you all that. It tells you it's made in China and so on, if that makes any difference to you. So here we go. I've already had some tape up here. I've already cut that loose. So let's see. Hopefully this goes quick here. I thought I cut it loose. Maybe I cut it loose on the bottom. Yeah, I cut it loose on the bottom. There's tape on the top too. Okay, so here we go. Something else in the box here, maybe instructions. I think there's something else in there, but it won't come out. I can't. Oh, maybe it's the, yeah, you know what it is? It's the pins, the pegs. I should have cut that other end open. I'm guessing this is the pegs. So that's it. Nothing else in the box. So we'll put the box to the side here. Let's see here. Let's see if I am right about the pegs. I was right. Ron's always right. So what this does is it comes with these pegs. So it's going to have, well, you know, rather than me explain this here, let's just move on to this here, and then this all makes sense in a few minutes. Okay, so it comes with this nice little sack here with a like a pull string here with even like a little knob to tighten it up, loosen it up, so very nice. Then this bag keeps it, you know, handy and stuff. And what I like about these bags is, say, you know, use it at the beach. We'll say I use the beach a lot, and the pad can get kind of sandy. And you're not just putting that sandy pad in your car or something like that. You know, you're putting it in this bag or whatever, so it keeps the sand and dirt from the pad from getting in your car or your bag or, you know, wherever you're, you know, storing this to get it back home again. So that's why I love these little bags. So okay, we unbox it. Let's unbag it now. And yeah, just a you know, plain bag here. It's got the, you know, the QR thing from STARTRC there. And I don't think there's anything else in here. Now, about the quality of this bag here, it's, you know, it's not the world's, you know, best quality bag, but it's fine enough for a landing pad, right? So let's put that over here. So here's the pad itself, and it's got some paper wrapped around it. And I told you it's foldable. Okay, we got the paper off of it now. I'll put that over here. So here is, oh, more paper here. So got a lot of paper on the desk now. So oh, it's a big landing pad. So okay, one side is black, and on one side is blue, and it's got the STARTRC logo here, peeking my head around here. So this is a good full-size landing pad. So, you know, I have a smaller one right now, and it's good for the minis, but this will even be good for like my Mavic 4 or whatever. Air 3, the bigger drones, not just the little mini drones. Yeah, so you there. Okay, there I talked about they had like the grommets on all four ends. So you would, you know, peg it in like that. And these things have like these little grooves here, I'll call them, so they dig into dirt and sand a little bit better than if they were just straight. And then it has that nice top there, so it's easy for you to turn it, to dig it into the sand and dirt and then get it back out again. And it's very pointed. So if you have a little bit of hard ground, it'll get you a good start there. So yeah, this feels like that same kind of, plastic kind of waterproof stain resistant material. So if you do get out and you get it wet or you get sand and dirt on it, it's going to be easy to clean. You can get it home, you can get the hose out, get a wet rag out, easily clean back up again here. So that's very handy here. And again, your choice of colors here, the blue or the black there. So yeah. Next segment of the video is I'm going to go over pricing and availability on landing pads, because I guess at this point in the video, I can't say much more except, here's how it folds. Flap it over once and then, go like this and you're all folded up. And it's all folded down, nice and compact, nice, ready to go back in the bag again and go out on the drone adventures here. And there's plenty of room in this bag here to put the pegs too. So you can stick the pegs, in the bag too as well. So you have everything in one spot. So, okay, let's come right back with the pricing and availability for the STARTRC landing pad. Okay, on Amazon.com, it's called STARTRC Drone Landing Pad Universal Waterproof Portable Fast Foldable Helipad for the Mini 5, Pro, 4, 3, all the minis, the Neo, the Flip, the Mavic 3, RC quadcopters, blah, blah, blah. Let's see here so I can get you some pricing availability. Okay, if you get the, if you get the 22-inch 55 centimeter version, which I showed you in the video here, that is $19.99, and it's in stock on Amazon.com. And if you're a Prime member, you get free 2-day shipping on this product. So very, very quick shipping. Now, apparently they have a bigger version of it, a 26-inch 65 millimeter version that goes for $29.99, but that's slow shipping. That usually ships within 1 to 4 weeks. So there's that. And it also comes in, and you can get blue and green instead of blue and black. So, and now there's better availability on that. Of course, the 22-inch one comes same day, 2-day shipping. Actually, 1-day shipping. If you get the blue green, it comes 1 day, and the 26-inch one comes in 2 days. But there's only 4 left there. So. This could all change by the time you watch this video and you go on the link. Sometimes this stuff goes on sale now. According to what it says right here, it's not on sale right now. So $19.99 is the base price. So maybe you could come back later on and maybe even find it for less. Who knows? I can't say one way or the other. But what I will do is I will drop the links down below to both sides of the landing pads. So you can go right there, use my affiliate link to go ahead and grab one and maybe pick up some other stuff. Because anything you purchase through my link, I'll get some commission for it. And I am Amazon, full disclosure, I'm an Amazon affiliate seller, so I get a small commission off of anything I sell in there. Now, more full disclosure, STARTRC sent me this landing pad out to do a unboxing review of here, first look. I don't have to send it back. I get to keep it. But beyond that, they're not paying me any money to make this video. They have no editorial control over what I say in this video. They're not seeing this video ahead of time. So that's my full relationship. So, if you want, the only way you can, I'm not a sponsored channel. I don't take, I don't membership. I got no, I don't charge any money to watch any of the content I put up. The only thing I can ask is use my affiliate links to, to help out the channel a little bit. Yeah, so that's it. We'll kind of wrap up the video here today. I do want to say, if you enjoyed this video, got anything out of it, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, even if it's just like a 1 or 2 word comment or whatever. It helps the algorithm, helps my video get out to more people, in the YouTube community, see the video outside just my subscribers here. Speaking of subscribers, if you're not a member already, please subscribe today if you want to see more videos about drones, drone accessories, cameras, camera accessories, and so on. I do a lot of tech content over here, mixed variety, but do a lot of drones. So and to ring that bell so you know when I put a new video up there. So so you don't miss one of my ones that you may like. So yeah, so I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to say I'm going to link a video up top here that may be related to this video in some way, and I'll meet you over there and check out that next video.